Hello and welcome back to Breath and Boulders. This is Murphy here, just finishing up this Stone Age traverse. Pretty incredible spot. Excellent climb. We'll definitely be coming back here. Today we're going to do a breath to release on sound, specifically the F sound. So we're going to be taking extended exhales to really draw in that parasympathetic nervous system response, and again lower the cortisol and that stress response. All right, get my timer set up, and all right, let's begin. Inhaling, drawing the belly button back, inhaling again. You might be going longer or shorter than me. It's all good. Just stick with yourself. Maybe include the arms if you want. Last round. Inhale. Sigh it out. Two more times. Inhale. Last time. And that's it for today. Thank you for stopping by. Let me know how it went. Like and subscribe. Tell your friends. Go hug a rock or climb it. And I'll see you next time. Bye.